Hey guys, it's time for another mystery box. It could be the last one for March, or is it? We'll have to find out. But in this one, you get IronOn. This is HTV. You get 3 sheets of gold, 3 sheets of silver, 3 sheets of white, and 3 sheets of black. It's flat. It's not in rolls. It's amazing. This is Everyday IronOn, Cricut's new formula, and it's guaranteed. You're also getting a felt sampler, Cricut's felt, and all these awesome colors. Just in time for Easter, you can make little chicks and eggs and all kinds of things out of felt. It's so much fun. You're getting 4 rolls of the premium pattern vinyl. It's all removable vinyl, so you can put things on the walls or anywhere, and it will only come up when you remove it. You get these 2 from Griffin, and there's different patterns inside each one. Here are the patterns in that one. Has beautiful patterns in this one. And this is the Francesca one. Awesome patterns in that one. There's even like a basket weave. And then some really fun ones. There's the patterns in that one. You get 2 of each pattern. So there's 6 sheets of 12 by 12 in each one of these rolls. You're getting a roll of party foil. This stuff is awesome to make confetti or to make those things that hang from the ceiling. There's no adhesive on these. They're so fun. You can make so much with these for parties. And that's not all. 2 packs of Mickey paper. It's not paper, it's cardstock. All of Cricut pattern paper is cardstock. And they're double-sided. Look. Love these. And here's this one, double-sided craft and black. Awesome, you're getting a whole lot in this mystery box. And if you use my code ML10, you get another 10% off and free shipping. But in order to use my code, you have to have $50 in your cart. But there are still some other mystery boxes that are available. If you add those to your cart, you're gonna get a whole lot for such a low price. And check out the sales. They have the new balsa wood. If you haven't tried that and you have a Cricut maker, add that to your cart along with a mystery box and get 10% off everything. If you have access, there's even another 10% off. All right, guys, I will see you in the next video and see you Saturday morning in Cricut Design Space class on my channel, 11 a.m. Eastern time. Bye, guys.